put that in and it just stays in. It won't puncture through. You just angle your handle up a bit, and then it gives you the power. And I grab its neck there, pull that way, and pull the other way with it. That's it, like a zipper. Make sure you don't slip and have that knife come up here in the face. Cut you right open.
Right.
Now, take him out of there, flip him out of the way. Yep, just all through that sinew. Open him up.
Just like that?
Yep. A bit more up the top on this side. Towards the, not up towards the neck. Yeah, get in there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And we just, that stomach thing we don't want. All we're going to do is each side of the spine. I'll get, if you want to use the scalpel, you want to do it with the, that one.
Yeah, can I get a scalpel?
Yeah.
Please?
Nathan. My backpack. Very front pocket. And it filled down. They're in the case, so you won't scratch yourself. Yep, that one should be good to go. Now get me a meat bag out while you're in there too, please. I'll put that back in the bag. Now, don't lose on the ground. No, I don't want.
Alright, talk me through this, please.
So, point scalpel away so I don't think you cut again. So you want to do the bone there first, all the way down, going right against
Just start here?
the rib cage. Yep, just
Does it matter that there's getting hair on it?
start here. No, it doesn't matter. Clean off anyway. But start, yeah, just we start from here back that way.
So start in
Yeah,
there?
but try and get in on the spine. So you'll find the meat, yeah, right where the spine is, cut down.
How many do you want?
That's it, just follow the spine. Just one note.
Please.
Yeah, okay, put the rest back. Yeah, you just chase it all the way down along the bone. You can see that muscle there now, see that? So you got what you think of it, take that away. You got that there, and then see this muscle here. That's what we're chasing all the way up into here. Yeah, that's good. Nice. And you're looking out for more billies, what do you think? Because they come back and watch a lot of times. That other one might come back to see what we're doing. No, they do. Inquisitive. It's 11:26 already.
That's Billy.
Told you they're still around.
So do
Yeah, it's just down there.
I go from here now?
No, keep getting all the way down as much as you can. Yeah, you feel it. Yeah, see that? So you're getting it all the way around. That's nice. Yeah. And then you meet it when you come through the other way. They're not huge like a deer, but they're still alright. Still meat to take home. And then
Remember the last backstrap I took out was a cat?
I know. Then yeah, she's making noises now. There's a crow and then there's a billy. Crows mimic noises, but when we first got in here, I thought I heard these two, and then because I thought, nah, it's just a crow, and then I ended up, sure enough, it was these two looking straight at us. Yeah, oh, it's doing good. We're not even near our spot yet. That's good. Yeah, when I was walking down, I thought, you know, to take some pictures, I thought I'd spotted something.
So that's the rib cage. I'm just following that round, right?
Yeah, and then just come through the other side and finish it off. Yeah, we got it all. Yeah, just take it all down there. Try not to leave any behind. That's a crow.
That's a crow. But the other one was a billy.
Yeah. Make sure there's no any brown meat, so. Get off, flies. Shoot that fly off. Alright, same on the other. Tell it's spring, all the flies are back. Watch your scalpel from it. Like that, is that what you wanted? Yeah.
There's your backstrap.
Good bit. Better that one.
Look, darling. I want to honour you by using all of your meat, and you turn in your head like that.
No, because of how much a steep we're standing on at the moment. They're goats, they just like all the terrain.
Why?
Because they're called billy goats.
What does the blue mean?
I like being in this sort of...
Why is he a goat?
I don't know, ask him.
Can't really, he's like a goat.
No, this is his girlfriend, this isn't Billy.
Oh, what is it,
This is
Janine?
Shirley.
No, I think it's Janine.
Oh, there's the bullet.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, so I thought last one was a bit... Went all the way down and out, didn't it? In.
Alrighty. Just kneel down so that you're behind me. Alright. Beautiful
Billy.
big Billy.
Come on.
Yeah, it's just, I can't even words for how excited I am. So what we're going to do now is we're going to just take the internals out, and that way we can then take him back to camp and deal with him back there. But yeah, I'm going to drop his guts out here, just to lighten him up because we have got a bit of a trek back to the car. Super excited, like seriously, like this big boy, next level, amazing. All right, so you're going to have to talk me through this from behind the camera, dear.
Yep.
So what am I doing?
Just make a cut.
Chest place
Yeah,
here?
just in
Chest
the middle
plate
there, just to get through initial fur.
Just straight like
but,
that?
Yep, not into the gut cavity there. Just so you can then get the gut hook in. That should be nice and sharp. Then once you're through, turn the gut hook over, do a zipper down, so then we can drop the guts out. Well, we'll start that because then we're going to have to cut around the bum.
Geez, he's tough.
Yeah, but that'll do it easy. Just like the cow, remember, you just got to give it a bit of stuff. There you go. Now turn it inside. Yep.
Yep, got him.
Get in that bit. Yeah, get it in there. Just get that bit. That bit won't cut. It's when you turn it up and then you turn it back the other way. Start pulling down. Just be careful. Remember that knife on the outside is very sharp. Might get Ethan to pull one leg up.
Can you just come and stand
No,
up?
pull the back leg up. Yeah.
That there, like
Yep.
that?
And then aim for his doodle where you're cutting all the way down.
Cut down to here?
Yep. That's it. Now just straight along.
You're doing a good job now.
Yeah, get it in there. Turn it slightly and just pull all the way down. That's it.
Got it.